Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to add another Twitter account. Friends, if you have multiple Twitter accounts and you want to add your secondary account in Twitter X app, then you need to open app. Now here you need to press on the profile icon. Now here you will find three dots in a circle. You need to press on it. Now you will find an option to create a new account, or you can also add an existing account. Now here I simply need to add my login details and my secondary account will be added in my Twitter X app. So friends, like this you can very easily add another Twitter account in your X app. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.